Hey everyone, today we are discussing on the topic plasma arc welding. Before going into detail, let's discuss about what is plasma.
What is plasma? Plasma is the hot ionized gas. When a sufficient amount of energy provided to any inert gas, some of its electrons break from the nucleus. After the electrons are relieved from the atoms, it is converted into hot ionized steam. This hot ionized gas are used to create a welding joint by fusion. Equipments. The equipments of plasma arc welding are plasma arc torch, shielding and plasma gas supply, filler material and the power source. Let's see in the detail. Plasma arc torch. This is the most important part of plasma arc welding process. This torch is similar as used in the TIG welding, but it is more complex than it. It consists of tungsten electrode, collet, inner nozzle and outer nozzle. The tungsten electron is held by the collet. The internal gas nozzle supplies inert gas to form the plasma inside the torch. The outside gas nozzle supplies shielding gases which put the weld area from the oxidation. Shielding and plasma gas supply. The plasma gas is similar to a shielding gas supplied by a single source. Mainly, inert gases like argon, helium are used as both inert and shielding gases. This gas is provided to both inert and outdoor tubes. Filler material. If we talk about the filler material used in the plasma arc welding, mostly no filler material is used in this welding process. If filler material is used, it is directly filled into the weld joint. Power source. Plasma arc welding process needed a high power DC supply to generate electric spark. One of the main features of plasma arc welding which make it different from the TIG is its low current welding capability. This welding can be used as at a low current of about 2 ampere and a maximum current of 300 ampere. The power source consists of a transformer, rectifier and a control console. Plasma arc models. The plasma arc welding can be classified into two types. They are transferred plasma arc welding and non-transferred plasma arc welding. In transferred plasma arc welding, it is connected to the tungsten electrode is connected to the negative terminal and the workpiece to the positive terminal. The arc is provided between the tungsten electrode and the workpiece. In this process, both plasma and arc is transferred to the workpiece, which increases the heat capacity of the process. This is used to weld thick sheets. Then coming on to the non-transferred plasma arc welding, the tungsten electrode is connected to the negative pole and the nozzle is connected to the positive pole. The arc is produced between the tungsten electrode and nozzle inside the torch. This will increase the inert gas. The torch transfers the inert gas to the workpiece and the welding takes place. It is used to weld the thin sheets.
Next, we are talking about the working. The workpiece is connected to the positive terminal and the electrode is connected to the negative terminal. Here we are using DC power supply. Unlike AC, the DC power supply can stabilize the plasma arc. The electrode here we are using is tungsten electrode because tungsten itself has high melting point. When the electrode material should not react with the when choosing the electrode, it should not react with the high temperature plasma gas. The plasma gas can be of helium, nitrogen and argon. At the bottom we can see a copper nozzle, and it has a small orifice. It constrains the coming plasma and concentrate to the specific point where we need to perform the welding operation. And there is a water jet. So the workpiece can be of any material. So when the high temperature plasma gas hit the workpiece, it tends to change the properties. To avoid that, we are using a water jacket. When the plasma hit the metal plate, it melts and fuses and thus form the welding operation. So there's a chance of atmospheric gas to interfere with the plasma. To avoid that, we are using a shielding gas. The shielding gas shields the plasma without interfering the atmospheric gases. When it comes to the advantages, the plasma arc welding has a high stability of arc, excellent weld quality, and it has uniform penetrations, and it consumes low power. And when in disadvantages, Its process is limited to metal thickness of 25 mm, and it requires high skilled labor, high maintenance, high equipment cost, and it radiates more radiation. And it comes to the application, it is mainly used in electronic industry, and it also in marine, aerospace, and it also in welding of pipes and repairing of tools and all. I hope you understand the topic, and thank you all.